Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious Pakistani yogurt curry. First, gather your fresh ingredients, including yogurt, gram flour, and a selection of aromatic spices. We'll begin by preparing the crispy pakoras, which are a cornerstone of this flavorful dish. Then, we'll move on to creating the rich, tangy curry base. Finally, we'll combine everything for a truly authentic meal. To make the pakoras, start by mixing gram flour with a pinch of salt, red chili powder, and a touch of cumin. Gradually add water to form a thick batter. Stir in finely chopped onions and green chilies. Heat oil in a pan and drop small spoonfuls of the mixture, frying them until they are beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Set them aside on absorbent paper. For the curry base, whisk plain yogurt with a few tablespoons of gram flour and some water until smooth. In a separate pot, sauté finely chopped onions until translucent, then add ginger and garlic paste, cooking until fragrant. Stir in turmeric, red chili powder, and coriander powder. Pour in the yogurt mixture, stirring constantly over medium heat until it thickens and comes to a gentle boil. Once the curry base has thickened, gently add the prepared pakoras. Let the curry simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the pakoras to soften and absorb the delicious flavors. Meanwhile, prepare a tempering by heating a small amount of oil and frying cumin seeds and dried red chilies until aromatic. Pour this tempering over the finished yogurt curry just before serving. Enjoy with rice or naan.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.